Okay, here we go. Okay, got it all covered. Now I'm going to the other. All right, this is a recording and a follow-up video of the Sylvania Headlamp Restore Kit. And if you take a look at the picture that I put up front to begin with, you'll see it being clear. This is almost a year later. It's 11 months, and you'll see it's not all that bright. And let me show you something else. You can go back and look at the old video, but there was like a 3 or 4 step process. The first was the surface activator, and it cleaned the lens. Here you should be able to see some of the liquid left, and I saved the bottle. These are a year old. And at the end, you had a UV clear coat. What you're looking at here is a UV clear coat. Let's see. It has become totally solid. And that's actually it's what it is. So I'm going to maybe show you what I got from someone online that said he had the same problem shortly after I put that up. But as you can tell, it's not nice and clear any longer, and this is just a year old. In honesty, it's been outside. It's been outside in the weather for the whole year. Okay, thanks for watching.